Hi everyone, this tutorial helps how to set background themes in Windows 10. Also we learn how to set an image as background from a theme having more images. Please watch this video and follow these steps. Right-click the free area of desktop and select Personalize. Then select Themes. Click on Background. Then choose your picture as background. Now we can see the selected image set as the background. We can do these steps in another way. Just click Start menu and click Setting and then click Personalization. We can see themes there. Now we are going to learn how to install more images from Windows Store. Open Windows Store and search Wallpaper. Here you can find lot of free wallpapers. Select any one from here and click Get button. Before downloading images you must logged in any Windows account. The images are downloading now, please wait for few seconds. The background image is installed now. We can see the installed images here. This theme included 15 images. I am going to set this theme as wallpaper. It is a slideshow wallpaper. The default duration is 1 minute, so every 1 minute the picture will be changed. One of our major doubt is how to select any one image from this slideshow group and fix it as background. For doing this we must know the location of the images stored in our computer. This is the location of themes, just copy and paste it in search box. I will give this link in description. Select and copy image from here and paste it to desired location. Now the image is ready for set as background. Thanks for watching this video.